Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 631. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that we use to invest $1 in Bitcoin every day for this experiment. If you aren't familiar with this app, just check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up using the link in the description and get $5 for free. Also down there is going to be a link to Coinbase. You can sign up and do Coinbase Earn and get over $100 of free crypto. Let's go ahead and get into this. Hop to the investment tab and then go to the Bitcoin section. So Bitcoin doing very well lately, currently at $15,494, up about 4% today, up about 15% on the week, up 45% on the month, and up 72% on the year. No slowing down lately, and you guys know I said before, like if this thing gets above the $13,000 or $14,000 range, it's gonna go. Because there's not much resistance between like 14,000 and 20,000. So that's what we're seeing right now, 15,500. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, see if there's any news. Square is reporting record Bitcoin sales, which that's for Cash App, the app that we're using. Record amount of Bitcoin is being purchased through this app, so that's interesting. So Google searches suggest that big investors are kind of FOMOing about Bitcoin. That's interesting. Let's go ahead, get into this. 0.08 Bitcoin owned. Just got to that last video. Slowly working our way to 0.1. So let's go ahead and tap buy, tap the three dots, type $7. We do $7 every Friday to balance this thing out. Tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. Still have a 3% fee, but it is what it is. It's no big deal when you're up, what was that, like 70% on the year? Tap confirm. And just like that, we've added a little bit more Bitcoin to our balance. Tap done. You can see 0.0804 Bitcoin now. So continuing to dollar cost average this thing. Crazy how well we're doing. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $1,246. $1,246 divided by 631 days equals a 1.97x on our investment. So almost a 2x. And what that means is that for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $1.97. Can't beat that. We've almost doubled our money. I'm feeling good about Bitcoin. Super excited for the future of it. You guys have known my thoughts on this for the last 631 days. So it's going exactly how I expected it to go. I just, like, for the people that didn't want to try it, didn't want to try $1 a day, I kind of feel bad. It's not too late to start. Like, Bitcoin could easily become one of the biggest assets in the world. And congratulations for everybody that has been doing the $1 per day experiment alongside of me. Looking really good. Just gonna keep at it and see where this thing goes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might well.